Today we will prepare a chicken chichura and get to work. We cut the chicken into long strips and then cut them into squares. In a bowl we add a pinch of salt, dried oregano, a little milk, mustard, a pinch of garlic, freshly ground pepper, a pinch of soy sauce. We mix well. We add 2 eggs and a little salt. We stir. We add the chicken. We mix well and then add to the flour. We cover all the chicken with flour, but first we will fry our accompaniments, which are some very golden yuccas, and in the same oil so as not to spend a lot. We add our chicken chichura and, hey, wait a little. While they fry well, we cut lettuce, a little pickle, a little tomato. We serve the chicken chichura and with golden yuccas, and we add vinaigrette. We take a pork rind and pass it through mayonnaise, a little ricotta, and we started to eat.